be the best day of your life, and I can will sing, hey, 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 happy birthday to you, you. 오늘은 바로 너의 생일. Happy birthday to you. 그대의 생일을 축하해. 오늘만큼은 그대가.
Bro thinks he's the main character. The hell, bro?
Kakulong na?
Just always the next time. Come on, tara na, picture na.
Tara, picture ko kayo, Andre. Para may picture kayo.
Ano ang pangalan ni Andre? Angel, ano pangalan ni Amarco? Amarco? Daniel. That's what. We are only doing. At least, I mean, my dog living. Yung dog ko eh. Nakadalawa.
2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish. What's your wish?
Secret!
Thank you, Andre. Happy birthday. Hindi ka na baby.
Wala ka ng discount.
Wala na akong discount sa airplane.
Wala ka ng discount.
Kasi binigay nila, buksan mo na.
Kumani lang yun.
Okay. Face here. 1, 2, 3.
Damay mo na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ikaw na lang, baby ko. Iyak ako daw. 30 na si Andre. Hindi ko matanggap. Ay, lungkot si Mami. Ikaw na lang, baby. Ikaw na lang. Good morning. So this is Balay. We have a big party today by a guest celebrating 68th birthday. Good morning to mga pamilya ni Rhea. Good morning. Ayaw niyo pa mag-swimming. And here, so last night we celebrated Sim Andre's simple birthday party. Masaya naman. Inabot kami ng 2 AM. So this is yan, hindi ko na pinatanggal yung mga decor kasi may party rin mamaya. Pero may catering yun. So, dito natulog sila kaya very kagabi. Okay, so we now have a boys hangout.
Ayan yung kapala.
Time. Ay, sorry! Na-booking tuloy. Nagtatago pala. So, Mommy is driving them. I'm gonna accompany them to a boys hangout in time zone lang naman. And we're gonna eat lunch. So, on our way to pick up the last. Sino yung pick up natin? Si Robert. Okay. So, now, we're gonna drive these kids to time zone in continuation of the birthday of Andre last night. So they weren't able to go to the party because it was late when we did the party. It was after school. So today I promised them time zone, and then we're gonna play at Nathan's place. And this is Angela. Say hi, Andre. And that is Nathaniel. Oh, we're gonna pick up Rob. Who are we picking up?
Robert.
Oh, Robert. So we're gonna pick up Robert now shortly. So Mommy is the school boss and finance for today.
very sure
Are you sure?
you won't hurt anybody anymore. I wonder what happened at the pool yesterday.
Well, it's called having fun. Alright? There's a difference between accidental punching.
Also, the Anjay, do you call having fun taking down Robert in the field?
Huh?
Do you call having fun, which is the equivalent of literally almost beating me up at the confession APR yesterday? Just because you dropped my fork, we had a barbecue on it.
Well, look at this, bro. Check out my shoes. It's freshly shined.
Ulitin mo man.
Oh my god. Isa naman shoes.
Yes.
Step on it.
Hi po.
Hi!
Last po.
Really normal for her to
We were playing Roblox. So
Ano? My mother is a what?
Yeah, vlogger.
A vlogger. So what do I do? It's normal for me to
To
record everything.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you feel awkward?
I feel like we're getting. I feel like we're getting. Oy.
Yo, don't bro.
We're now complete. That's nice. I think they're having fun. Ang cute nila. Dami na nila na panalunan agad. Si Mami naman, ito, ginagawa ko. Makain. Habang nag-video. Vlogger daw yung Mami niya. I'm buying your Zagu. Hold on, it's almost done. Are we done? Are we done? You still have money? No. Okay. Wow, you won a lot. Oh, that's ours. Get it. It's supposed to be 5. Wala pa yung sago? No, it's 5. Okay, so they got a lot of tickets. Wow. How many so far? 457. Wow. So ako naman, while I'm here at Robinsons, I'm coordinating for our, okay, so today we are holding one of the first big events for Balay Alegria. We have someone celebrating her 60th birthday, and I think it's a surprise party by the staff of this company. So she's the owner, and I think it's supposed to be a surprise birthday. So we're hosting the birthday celebration. They rented the entire place, and then because I'm learning to be really a business woman, I was in charge of catering, sounds, providing the entertainment, and photographer. So I have some partners, do you call them concessionaires? People that I tapped for the past few months when I celebrated my birthday. So I did a trial run for my birthday, and the suppliers that I got are good. So now I hired them to do the event for me. So it's like my event, but I hired different suppliers to work for me. So I'm earning extra from that effort of being the caterer, providing the lights and sound. Yes, businesswoman, ite. Super businesswoman, and yeah, really learning a lot on resort management. Ba? Do you like that? Do you want mommy to buy that? We have that at home. You don't even use it. Like a smaller version. Happy birthday! Are you enjoying your birthday? You are? But why did you leave them? Why are you in a massage chair?
My back was just hurting.
Oh my God, nagka-bag incident pa kami, nawala yung bag niya. Buti na lang, may nakakita sa gate, dinalik dito. Oh my God. At buti na lang, nagtanong kami.
That was gonna be my second option.
Yeah. Oh my God. Buti na lang nakita. Buti mabait. Maraming salamat sa nagbalik kung sino man siya. Kasi kung hindi, ruin yung birthday ni Andre dahil malungkot yung isang bata. Ha? Hindi kaya?
Oh, what is this table's name? Sasha.
H1.
Sasha. Tama, Sasha.
Anong pangalan mo? Show it. Anong pangalan mo? Gugu Gaga.
I have another paper. I think I messed up on this one.
So we are now at Ramenagi. So we're gonna have lunch here. Kasi sabi ko ayoko ng McDo. Ayoko ng McDo.
What's the table name?
Top the paper of Andre. Daming corrections, Andre. Grabe.
It's like me in school. Hey guys, me and Robert are playing Don't Ask to Cut in this video. Thanks. See my guys. You're gonna throw it away anyway.
Ako ay dakilang bantay. Andre, is ramen your favorite? Even in Japan, you finished it in Osaka.
It's because the rule is you have to finish it.
Oh my God! Wow! Paano na si Mommy? So bad! Oo nga no guys, you finished it all. I'm such a bad example. Pang hindi nakaubos. Sobrang busog na kasi ako sa donut, sa zagu na kinain na. Thank you, no, Robert and Nathan for joining us. Next time sa resort, okay? Overnight, so papayagan kayo. Bye! Bye-bye! Be a good boy, Andre! Hindi na ako pinansin na.